After hanging 10 in a
Right, what's that?
I think, Mum, you know it. It's okay. That way. This is about number 8, I think.
Sadly, Freddie's got
Yeah, well, I was on 30 odd.
I missed the first. Oh, number 9. Here we go.
No, Glenn's catted 40 odd times.
Okay.
Oh.
Come on. Oh. 10 double figures.
3. That was 3.
That's 10.
one of the many ways Febreze helps you and your guests.
3 on the video, yes, but you've done about 7 before I turned it on.
Febreze car vent clips and breathe happy. Did you know? On
Legs 11.
Well, you can beat 40 odd.
Oh, we're going to try. Go. Oh, number 12.
That's what Glenn did for me.
with Expedia.co.uk. Adult protected.
Oh, Baker's dozen.
Oh, don't you do these?
Sometimes.
Mine does.
14.
Richer, shinier, and no grays. Find your perfect shade. Visit Nutrice.co.uk.
There we go, number 15.
When it comes to getting the drinks in, you know what we're like. All we need is an excuse. Result!
Number 16.
Happy Wednesday!
Shut up.
So, how about giving up alcohol for September? Let's raise some money and save lives for Cancer Research UK.
That was 4.
Was that 4 in one go? Oh, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
You're putting it on Facebook.
Not yet.
Cut.
22.
If you put it on Facebook and then launch and say, oh, it's done with that.
Yeah, it's our most reliable wireless connection ever.
Then you have a tissue.
Oh.
That was 2.
That was 2. That's what, 26.
Oh.
Mum, I'm on set.
Oh, 27. Yay. Come on. Let's get the big 3-0. Come on, Mum.
That was 3.
Yes. 30. The last thing you need is a fag or you're sneezing your head off.
That was 2.
32. I hope we got enough video. What's that, 34? Is that 34? I think it's 34.
You put it on Facebook. 2.
36.
You put it on Facebook. Don't video me! No! Yeah, that's 2.
38. 2 away. 2 away from the big 40. Come on, Mum. 39.
Let's stop there.
No, come on. Come on. Feel the tickle. Feel the tickle. 40. Yes. 40.
43.
43. Was there 3 there?
We roam.
43.
But no matter where
How's that, Aunt Glenn?
there's really no place.
Yeah, that's another 3.
46.
Not home.
Glenn's on the other one. What?
Welcome to Ultimate Sneezing Fits.
2.
38.
The hit US series, Secrets and Lies, starts Wednesday the 9th of September on Watch.
Oh.
No.
We've got the latest series of
Tickle, 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 tickle.
3.
Is that 51 then? That's 3. 51 sneezes.
Parks and Recreation continues
I can't even wind my fucking bag up.
Tickle, 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 tickle.
I could do yoga pose.
It's pronounced Adu Mukha.
Oh.
Long.
No.
Party Factory sponsors Grind
Sneeze.
Time on Dave.
What were we on? I forgot what we were on. Is it 51?
Eh?
I think it was 51.
Other news, under proposed health guidelines, what could we see banished from our
What
diets?
is
Sugar.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sugar is very, very bad for you. And there's a lot of sugar
No, I
in
think
fizzy
it's stopping.
drinks.
Is that it? All over? You sure?
This
Yeah.
was released.
Yeah.
Released
Feathers?
by the Department of UO.
Hairspray?
You know this.
No.
Come on, dude.
Different one.
Keep telling me this, Joe.
53.
Another 2.
54.
As fizzy drink. So in this case, the man from Del Monte, he's saying,
Oh.
"Are you fit?" I was thinking, I always knew OJ was a killer.
Wow.
Oh, I'm crying. Hairspray and feathers seem to do it.
Somebody stop watching that. 14 years.
That is how you can put that straight on Dave.
Have you got any more?
The problem with just drinking water is it just
No,
tastes
have a
like
fag
your
one,
mouth.
that'll sort it out.
No.
All done.
I think so.
You finished.
I don't know how they're going to come into my house and stop me.
That's
doing
the
it.
end.
If they ban it,
It's
and
game
you
over.
water, then the
54
opposite side, when it's
sneezes.
swimming, I
Well
suppose,
done.
swimming in the tub.